Hi guys, I'm going to unbox a simple camera stand. As you can see right there, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. It came in a box, small box. I ordered it from souq.com, and that's how it looks like. I thought if I'm to use it, let me show you how to set it up first. It comes with the down stands. These are adjustable to whatever style you want them to stand. They will adjust. This is also a part of it. It's an adjustable stand. This is where the camera sits because it's rotating, but you can also stop it, adjust it, and make it stand in one place by adjusting this. And this too is adjustable. Just roll it around and make it sit right there. I'll turn it around, then show you how it looks like. So after pinning it down with its screw, you can make this stop moving around by tightening this knot to whichever position you want it to face. I want it to stand straight, so I'll tighten it when it's standing straight. And that's it. You can make it tight right there, and it's firm. And right here is the clip that adjusts this to a small stand, and you can lock that up by clicking it right here. And up here is where the camera sits. This is the 360-degree kind of thing. It can face that side, this side, wherever you want it to go. However, you can also lock that up by making it face this side or the other side. If you want to adjust, you adjust it from here, and it's flexible. Okay, thank you for watching. That's a camera stand for you, and hopefully next time I will make a better video. Thank you. Bye.